A very good evening to all my dear students of this area. Like I have stated in my last video clip which I have shared on the social media, I'll be teaching you the chapter called The Electricity of your class 10 science book. Okay. Moira electricity ko sa amni khan la dimag te ki hai electricity ni electricity la je time matim hai uri ninga I am sure that amni laga dimag te light chuli thakibo na amni la dimag te rati re man light jaile iman afsus hoido na light pauni kimtala tala mongkak puni hai tu te hai nang do electricity la thege word atat kruile electricity like thil nang tim ta thini what do you feel when you hear the words electricity then I am sure that you will imagine, since it is the hot season now, it is the summer season, I am sure that you will feel the movement of the fan on your ceiling of your home. That is, through the movement of the fan, you will feel the cold sensation on your body, on your warm body. Na? So, idu nimide electricity do dunia de bisi important ase. When you see the water, a river, water flowing in the river, na? So, tadabi river laga movement water laga movement do river de inaga thaki ase tade bi current thake to idu la current do gole in the form of hydroelectricity mahan convert korina idu current do tani loigna khode mahan bra current do cholai aro there are different kind of electricity idu you will come to know when you reach the higher class like thermal electricity na wave probably oceanic waves can probably electricity energy produce kuro pare to idu ni minde this electricity this chapter, which is chapter 12 of your science subject, electricity, is very, very important even for your future. That is, it have a wide scope. Without electricity, we can't survive. Ajikali la dunia de. Poila la dunia de electricity thakane. Dudan de kiman darkness thakise. But because of the electricity, man, we are surviving. We are living in a comfort life, in a comfort zone. Na? We are enjoying. Na? In a big cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, na, idu khan tahan tade ki cholai ase gulo du tahan do AC khan cholai na. That is all because of the electricity. So, electricity do idu bisi important ase. Torch when you see the torchlight de battery thake. To battery la bhitor de cell thake. Aro idu torchlight kitia chole gulo du bulb thakar rai chole na. To bulb aro torchlight majode on off kora laga link thake to idu to interconnection link na taijun majode na to kide on koribo torchlight laga bulb to glow hobo like cholibo na enaga na to aro kide off hobo to torchlight to off ho jabo bulb glow adu roki jabo enaga tade bi enaga ase aro electricity idu nimide mahan first ki janyo lage gole do mahan electricity laga electrical circuit diagram na electric circuit diagram idu bujio lage here this is the circuit diagram which I have just shown it is a very important through this circuit diagram once you understand the circuit diagram even in your engineering if you happen to be an engineering students in future amni idu laga diagram do pabo aro e diagram ngati nange team awane thininga sum solve koringe aro team do awane so here is the electric circuit this is the electric circuit our electric circuit na thakile mahan light cholao na parbo to circuit de ki ase golo to here is the battery this is the battery this is called the positive terminal and this is called the negative terminal here I have written the negative sign and this arrow sign which is flowing from the positive terminal and which ends at the negative terminal it is the sign it indicates that the current is flowing in this direction that is from positive terminal to a negative terminal and this is the electric bulb and here is the ammeter to measure the flow of the current and here is the plug key na so ammeter to kole ekta instrument na ekta instrument ase juntu ge electric laga power do electric flow wala do measure kura laga do itu to instrument ekta ase to inaga bujai di ase andole electric current do kinaga express kore golo do idu do amount of charge flowing through the particular area in unit of time electric current kinaga express kore golo do idu particular unit time ekta ge kiman charge flow kori ase idu laga hisab de amni idu do measure koribo aro idu kinaga kile flow kori ase golo do because of the presence of electrons na electrons are the negatively charged particles. And then now you may be confused. Nang khosam jok electrons pikut praise na. And then here is the diagram. Here you will see protons and neutrons, and around this you will see the electrons. Idu electrons laga movement bra, idu laga charges kan bra, taige enables kore current flow hole na. So idu light thaka time debi poila ki jani na thaka nai gule do electrons dunia de electrons thaka do jani na thaka nai. But with the help of the discoverer, that is who discovered the electrons kuna amni laga exam de future de. It may not come in your matriculations exam, but I am sure that it will be coming in your competitive exams when you go for your competition, when you participate yourself in the competition. That is, electrons was discovered by J.J. Thomson, a scientist name called J.J. Thomson. So J.J. Thomson laman gaya electrons are discovered gorilla da. Hayang gati keme electricity maju electrons are present taibo. Hay di electricity chuabu le hay support phedi ale awan le da. So CO2 discover goribo dhania 18 in the year 1897 ma discover goribo J.J. Thomson ya. Now we will go with the topics. Aro yate amnige if it is given that if a net charge Q flows across the cross section of a conductor in time t, then the current I through the cross section is given by I is equal to Q by T. That is ekta unit area na ekta net charge ekta do cross section ekta laga mane loha ekta metal ekta laga upore ekta charge flow kori ase idu do charge to ki ase golo do this is Q aro idu do ekta unit time ekta ke jai ase golo do idu la current do idu cross section ekta ke flow wala current la amount do ki ase golo do idu ase Q by T. Q is the charge and T is the time in second. And the SI unit of electric charge is coulomb. This is very important. It may ask in your matriculations exam like what is the SI unit of time for in your choose the correct answer of one word answer or choose the correct answer. Like what is the SI unit of electric charge kolodo? SI unit of electric charge is given by coulomb. C-O-U-L-O-M-B, coulomb, or simply C. Aro idu lagato coulomb is equivalent to the charge content nearly 6 into agare moi koigna ase charge ekta gado electrons to which is the negatively charged particles to present gore guna. Aro idu do 6 into 10 to the power minus 8 6 to the 10 6 into 10 to the power 18 electrons nearly inaga present gore gose charge ekta ke. So idu buji lo lage amni khan la exam de hobre how many electrons are there in coulomb na, how many electrons are contained in one charge na inaga hoise gole do amni ki reply dibo gole do 6 into 10 to the power 18 electrons kona dibo lage. Aro idu do aro electrons ke kiman charge kiman coulomb ase gole do electrons ekta ke do charge ekta ke idu iman electrons present gore aro electrons ekta ke kiman charge present gore gole do 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 C coulomb iman present gore na. Aro here it is saying that it is written that 1 ampere is constituted by the flow of 1 coulomb of charge per second. That is 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb by 1 second. That is 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb by 1 second. like I said here, an instrument called the ammeter measures the electric current in a circuit. Circuit ekta de ki bra electric to measure kore gole to idu bra measure kore. This is called ammeter. It is the instrument to measure the electric current. That is ammeter. A double M E E E R. It is called ammeter. Okay. Acha, now this is just a part of introduction. I will teach you more in more details in the next topic when we come to the next topic. But here it is given in your example some questions. I want to tell you students that whenever you are in a science class or whenever you listen to the teaching of the science, you have to be a very imaginative person and you have to imagine yourself that like for example agete moi ko nisna electric cause sat imagination jaw lage ki idu hobo na question bisi ho lage amnila dimag te ina hole idu ki hobo idu inaga kurile idu ki hobo na idu nisna science is a very easy subject if you give interest in it, and I'm sure that you will be comfortable to catch up with the teaching if you give interest and if you listen carefully to what your teachers is teaching. So here is an example in your textbook, example 12.1. A current of 0.5 ampere is drawn by a filament of an electric bulb for 10 minutes. Find the amount of electric charge that flows through the circuit. Okay, let me straightforward go with the solution. Here you are being given that the current to agere moi diagram de dikhai diche current laga symbol du ase I ase to a current of 0.5 ampere is drawn by an filament of electric bulb na it is 0.5 ampere laga current to electric bulb de that bulb de chuli thaka laga idu mane yanta taibo kam choge high filament ni homonge bulb homonge high filament ta 0.5 ampere current na tanile da drawn korile da na mane light chola time de aru idu ki time de kiman time de tanise gole to idu to t is equal to 10 minutes. 10 minutes. So moi agere koi na ase idu to when it comes to electricity laga ki magnitudes kan quantities kan measure kora dem to time is always expressed in second. So idu 10 minutes to second de convert kuro lage. So ina hole 10 minutes to tago minutes ma we second type running 1 hour ma 60 second type hele lele 1 minute ma 1 hour ma 60 minute type anaula hele lele 1 minutes ma 60 second type na so ina hole to 10 into 10 minutes into 60 second is equal to 600 second na it was a day. These are the solution now, and then I have told you earlier that I is always equal to Q by T, which means the current I through the cross section when the net charge Q flows across the cross section of a conductor in a time T is always equal to Q by T, that is I is equal to Q by T. So amni nangate exam time ma question yang hai ring to hudai yede sabo lage ki formula do ulta bulta kuro pare amahan bra according to the value that they have given in the that they gives in the answer. So yede I to digna ase na aru T to digna ase to amni phapna kuro pare ki yede answer to already digna ase I भी already ऐसे की लाये सपना होना इना confuse ना हो लगे तो इधु I दिखना से T दिखना से तो Q दिया नहीं ना तो उल्टा करी दियो मान ना इधु किन्ना का करो बोले तो Q is equal to I into T इनका बनाई दिबो तो इनका होले तो this implies q is equal to I किमान থাকিছে 0.5 एम्पियर और t किमान থাকিছে গলে তো into 600 सेकेंड ना 600s तो इदु दिदा into কৰিছে গলে তো 0.5 मतलब तो से half 1/2 ना तो half into 600 कोले तो 600 लगा half तो किमान আছে 300 so the net charge q is equal to 300 column ना तो इदु लगा पार्ट एकटा আছে तो इदु सम सॉल्व करा देंदे whenever you find any difficulties whenever you find any difficulties you can always contact me and I will give you a clarification on this and I will try to make you more understandable and I will try to make you understand and here what does an electric circuit mean buna koi na ase to what does an electric circuit mean gole to yede already answer digna ase tahan bra na yede questions laga part te number 1 de ase what does an electric circuit mean guna to yede tahan bra digna ase a continuous and a closed part of an electric current is called an electric circuit guna exam de amni naga likhibo lage here it is given a continuous and a closed part of an electric current is called as an electric circuit guna you already have the answer and here define the unit of current na number 2 de here digna ase define the unit of current so when if you are ever being asked in your exam to define the unit of current then what you have to say is the flow of one coulomb of charge in 1 second is termed as the unit of current guna reply dibo lage I repeat again the flow of one coulomb of charge in 1 second is termed as the unit of current and here you have been asked here the last part of your question is to calculate the numbers of electrons constituting one coulomb of charge okay now I have told you earlier that electricity के electrons present करे गुना तो one column of charge एकटा के की कोई আছে one column of charge एकटा के electrons किमान constitute करी আছে इदो हुदी আছে तानबा और हमनी science और mathematics की केन whatever subject it is हमनी question भाल बो बुझिसे गलो तो I am very sure that you will be easily able to answer your questions so here they are asking you to find the number of electrons constituting the one coulomb of charge so let us straightforward go with the solution once again we know that total charge here it is given in your question itself that total charge to one coulomb ase kile mane one coulomb to kiman electrons ase koi ase na takhan to idu q is equal to 1c de one coulomb aro amni jani ase electrons ekta ke kiman coulomb ase mane kiman charge ase gona to electrons ekta ke 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 c ase de E is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 c and then let us consider let n be the number of electrons constituting one coulomb of charge constituting one coulomb of charge. Let us consider science is
science is also about the assumption na amni assume grow pare science or mathematics ke so yete assume grow ase n to n why because we have to find the number of electrons na so idu nimite n ke assume grow ase ki n to number of electrons ekta ase koina na so idu nimite here we will write 1c here we will write one I mean q or 1c na so charge ekta ase q represents the number of charge is equal to n into e that is number of electrons into electrons na so yete I have already clearly given that q is equal to 1c so yete ki lobo bole to 1c is equal to ne na now since we have to find the n now we will write n is equal to 1c divided by e and this implies one column this equal to one column is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19c since electrons presence one electrons presence 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19c so I am putting here I am putting this from here okay so now here we will cancel this cc okay niche de bhi ase upor de bhi ase same thakile to cancel koro pare do na I am sure that you know about it but if you ever have a doubt you are always welcome to ask me now since I have cancelled this already so n is equal to again n is equal to 1 into here you see properly kitia points hatabo mohan to yate 10 uthibo pare I have told you that to assume to make your assumption in whenever you do the sums na 19 na why because 10 divided by 16 gole to same hobo to 1.6 e olabo to edu nimite consider kuri ase ki yede points to hatai dise aro yede 0 mari dise to yede 10 uthi jai na to inaga hoile to aro this is equal to 10 divided by 16 into 10 to the power 19 किते एटु माइनस साइन थाकाला आरो नीचे रे थाकिबो इदु उपरे उठिसे गले तो होदाय प्लस ते चेंज होबो साइन दो आरो प्लस ते थाका नीचे रे नामाय दिसे गले तो आरो द सेम थिंग इट विल गो रिवर्स दैट इज माइनस हो जाबो तो মই बार की गुरिसे गले तो याते इदु 10 टू द पावर माइनस 19 तो उपरे उठाइ दिसे तो पॉजिटिव साइन हो जैसे तो इतिया की गुरु परे गले तो n is equal to 10 into 10 into 10 to the power 18 गुरि আছে ना ইয়াতে 19 থাকিছে তো 10 একটা লৈ যাইছে এটো কাৰণে 18 হৈ যাইছে ইয়াতে আৰু 16 হ'ব ইয়াতে না আৰু ইয়াতে কৰিব 10 into 10 to I am sure you know 100 into 10 to the power 18 আৰু এটো বিচতে 16 হৈ যায় তো এটো দিটা ক্যান্সেল মাৰি দিব লাগে ক্যান্সেল কিবা কৰিব গলে তো 4 4 ja 16 and 4 into 25 when you plus 25 into 4 times then it comes 100 so 4 into 25 4 4 ja 16 and 4 into 25 ja 100 now we are left with n is equal to when we divide now here I am giving you a rough when we divide amni na janeo pare edu nimite moi kuri di ase noile it is not necessary yate 4 into kiman hole iduke katibo paribo iduke kiba match hobo bole to 4 5 ja 20 তো এইটোতো বেছি ছোটো হৈছে 4 6 যা 24 হ'ব 4 6 যা 24 না তো ইয়াতে একটা বাচি কিনা আছে তো ইয়াতে একো নাই এইটো নিমিতে মাহান পইণ্ট মাৰি দিব তো 10 লগাব পাৰে আৰু 4 2 যা 8 হ'ব আৰু ইয়াতে একটা কিবা কৰিছে ক'লেতো 10 - 8 ক'লেতো 2 আছে আৰু পইণ্টছটো সিন্স উই হেভ অলৰেডি পুট দ্য পইণ্ট অলৰেডি লগাই কিনা আছে তো ইয়াতে 0 আনিব পাৰে আৰু 4 5 যা 20 তো কিমান হৈছে এইটো দুটা 100 বাই এইটো 25 বাই 4 কিবা মাৰাটো কিমান হৈছে ক'লেতো 6.25 into 10 to the power 18. This will be your answer. Number of electrons constituting one coulomb of charge is equal to 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 is your final answer. Aro amni yete tak rakhi dise gole I am sure that you will get a good marks. Aro ituke any doubt thakise gole moike anytime call koribi aro this will be the this is for today. This is enough, and from tomorrow I will go forward. I will go ahead with the next topic one by one, and then from even from next topic I'll try to teach you properly, and then if you have any doubt always do call me. Don't feel shy. De sorom na pabi aro moike anytime call koribi aro doubt hodibi whatever I have covered ituke doubt thakise gole aro I will try to cover up in next 5 to 6 classes. Thank you, students. All the best.